Now doing a traction. This one Puso Fighter. Now there's a 2 cycle, this one 1 and 6, and now top is number 1. Now the clearance is 0.6. Then I show you how to adjust this one. This one is number 1. Before you do it, this one, you do this first, adjust this one, and then second is the bridge. We need this one. The bridge is very important because if you do not adjust that one, you can break your valve. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Now that one, you feel tight, and then tighten this one, and then don't remove the filler gauge, still there, and then you lose this one, the bridge. Okay. We need to tight the bridge and then fill it. That's all right now. And then tight again. See, fill it, and then finally tight. That's it.